Good evening and happy Sunday. Although we had like a surprise trip to the Fairbank farm and had some pretty cool stuff. And although Kaylin was kind of having a hissy fit, it got a little obstacle course. Oh, I haven't been on that in like years. So we're inside of a birthing place. Saw some little tracks. So we just entered the park building and my mom and Karen spotted the rope course, which looks fun. It's like a little area where it looks like to be a kitchen on a hand touch thing. So they have like a little playground for the other kids and some pig puns. So Karen's the first one to go on this obstacle course. A little quote from Charlotte's Web. Here's the rules for the obstacle course. And there she goes. You have a harness. Just think about it. It's like American Ninja Warrior.
I'm not one of those people that do that. And you don't want to step on the wooden things because they'll roll and that'll make you fall. Okay, good to know.
How do you feel, Kaylin?
Terrible. Stop recording me, please.
She had to hold on to that.
Oh, no. No.
You got it. You're doing really good, Kaylin.
Keep up the great work.
Aren't you glad you wore good shoes? Hey, just settle yourself a little bit.
I can't, Mom. I'm scared.
You're doing really good.
I'm regretting doing this.
Yay! Okay, next is Kaylin's gonna attempt the swing or
I think that may be why she works here.
Well, we trained first for it and it didn't hurt.
See, you did just fine. better. So you're doing great, honey.
Also, this is my first time.
Well,
Really funky. I thought I would do better than this.
Okay, now Kaylin's gonna do her tightrope.
I just did the tightrope over there.
yeah, but over there you had loops. Now you just have the little ends.
Yeah, I could barely even hold on to that. My hands are cramping up now.
Oh, you got two. That's a little trickier.
And then once it crosses in the middle, step on both.
Just step on both.
Yeah.
Do you see how that like it's I'm freaking
Oh, I didn't want to do that.
This is a lot scarier than it looks from up there.
A little harder than a jungle gym, huh? Should you?
So you step on both of them?
Yeah.
How do you do that? Just like
Like, it's already crossed, and you'll just step into the right middle.
okay. So what is it?
So it's already crossed, just step your feet on the middle of it. You're not gonna have two, you're gonna be walking on one.
Like that?
Yeah, or that. That's fine.
This is a lot better for you, actually.
A lot scarier too.
Good for
Come on, you almost got it, Kaylin. Yay! And also we have these like pig posters that looked like it came from a movie. So this is like a reference between J14, or Charlotte's Web, and Looney Tunes. We got a little pig cam going on. Looks like Kaylin made it halfway through the obstacle course.
I don't know. Which way are you gonna go? Where are you going, Kaylin? You're up there.
Come on, almost there.
Oh, now you have balance. You have one of those. Which one are you gonna use? There's that one,
Oh,
and then it's straight.
so Kaylin has a choice between the two balance beams. One is a little trickier.
Are you gonna go to the one that
Oh.
goes uphill? Nice.
And Caleb did it!
Here, sit down now.
I think Kaylin is actually going to try the zip lining, which is super high up.
She's talking to someone else. Do it.
Here we have some interesting facts about pigs, like what the actual term "when pigs fly" means. So we stopped by at the cafe and had some of their, it's just a food court. And play here is where all the magic happens. So like all of your milk goes into this machine. Some marmalade and some preservatives. All of your confectionery needs. Stuff for pop. So here's the list of their menu. Kaylin ordered their famous mint chocolate chip ice cream. Some M&Ms, some assorted nuts. So this is gonna wrap up our adventure at Fair Oaks Farm, and that was an amazing experience. And my mom got us like a family pass, so we'll do that again next time. Although we have some family that's or some friends that's coming over next month, so we'll do another trip when they come here. And I want to point out that my computer update is turns out that the power outlet, not like to plug it in, but and that, long story short, is turns out there was like an issue when I like tried to plug it in, like the cord itself, and they tried to fix it, and there's some technique words going on, and turns out I actually need to get a new computer, so I need to get some of these videos down. So, later, gators.